Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the SUI token on your OKX mobile app. Our first step is going to be simply possessing cryptocurrency or fiat tokens in your OKX mobile app. Okay guys, and once you possess some sort of cryptocurrency, you're simply going to be clicking on this trade option right here in the middle. Click on trade and you click on Floki USDT. Click on this, and we're going to be searching for SUI USDT. You click on that, and now we're going to be getting, as you can see, the price for the SUI coin for at least one of it is $1.14. So we're going to be using all of our USDT for this purpose, and we click on Buy Sui. With this, we'd have the SUI token in our wallet on the uh, on our trading assets menu. We'll have the SUI coin there. So you simply click on Buy Sui, minimum quantity 1 SUI. So you need to deposit SUI here. If you do possess some SUI, you deposit here. Aside from that, you could as well use the USDT to get yourself some SUI tokens. All right, guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can buy the SUI token on your OKX mobile app, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.